For Fox Sports, I'm Annabelle Stefan here at the Senior Bowl alongside Vanderbilt's Kenny Ladler. Kenny, what's experience been like for you?
It's been a real fun experience working with these working with these NFL coaches, especially with some of the best college players around the country. And I'm just enjoying the experience right now.
What are some of the things that you're really trying to prove while you're out here this week?
My main goal is just to compete with these guys out here and be a good competitor, show the coaches what my skill set is, what I can bring to their team if they're interested, and just be the best player that I can be out there. So,
what coaches and staffs have you had the chance to talk with since you've been out here?
I talked with plenty of coaches and scouts so far. I talked with the Broncos, the Chiefs, Jaguars, the Texans, the Packers. I talked with the Bears. I talked with a couple of different teams, and it's been a real cool experience.
You had a very great career at Vanderbilt. You came into a program that a lot of people didn't really, look too highly upon. 3 consecutive bowl games. What is the legacy that you hope to leave with the Commodores program?
That was one of my reasons for going to Vanderbilt, to change the culture. And I've committed to Vanderbilt once they went 2-10, and I stayed true to my commitment because I wanted to challenge myself academically and on the field in the SEC with just turning the organization around. And I feel like we left a solid foundation for other kids around the country to come and do the same thing that we did and just continue the success that we built there.
And how do you feel like your game is really going to translate to the collegiate level? To the NFL level?
I feel like I have a complete skill set for the safety position in NFL, and what I can bring to a team is very, very hard working, competitive, and I can make plays. So hopefully I can find one team that'll just take me upon it.
Kenny, I've heard that you're pretty good to put you on when people put you on the spot. You're a pretty funny, easygoing guy. So I'm sure that you've been practicing for these NFL interviews where these coaches will ask you kind of anything under the sun. So how do you prepare for something like that?
I think you just be yourself. That's the only thing you can do. You can't really prepare on what type of questions they ask you. You just have to be able to respond positively and make sure that you're true to yourself in your answers that you give, just to show that you're a genuine person.
You were worried for a second that I was going to put you on the spot right there.
Nah, I was prepared. I'm always ready.
Well, for all of the hard work that you've put into this whole process, what would it mean to you to hear your name called on draft day?
Oh, it would mean the world. It's something that I've been working towards my whole life. All the hours of hard work that you put in that nobody's watching. Once you, in the summertime, running through stadiums, running up mountains, running sprints, catching, all the hard work, it just shows that it pays off, and that it inspires other people to do the same thing once you see someone that was just like you growing up, Well,
congratulations on all your success at Vandy and here at the Senior Bowl. Good luck this week. You guys make sure to keep it right here at Fox Sports as we continue to bring you all of the latest from the Senior Bowl. Alongside Kenny Ladler, I'm Annabelle Stefan reporting from Mobile.